Well, election news first, and the Gandhi pocket borough of Amethi, represented by Parliament by Rahul Gandhi, and the temple town of Ayodhya are among the areas voting today in the fifth phase of the seven-phase elections in Uttar Pradesh. Voting is being held across 11 districts, including 5 bordering Nepal, in an increasingly acrimonious campaign for India's most politically important state. Words like Gujarat's donkeys and Kasab came up during rallies just last week. On Sunday evening, there was a flag march by central forces in sensitive areas close to the Terai region in the Nepal foothills. And let's take a look at some of the key contests in this phase. Now, in Amethi, Amita Singh from the Congress is a 3-time MLA and the second wife of Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh. She's fighting against Garima Singh, the estranged wife of Sanjay Singh, who is fighting from a BJP ticket and is a first-time MP, and she is fighting against also Gayatri Prajapati from the Samajwadi Party, who is of course accused in a rape case. And in Gonda, Pratik Bhushan from the BJP is the Lok Sabha MP versus Brij Bhushan Singh's, he is the Brij Bhushan Singh's son, versus Suraj Singh from the Samajwadi Party versus Muhammad Jalil Khan from the BSP. And in Tarapganj, it's Vinok Kumar from the Samajwadi Party, a cabinet minister in the Samajwadi Party, versus Prem Narayan from the BJP and Ram Bhajan from the BSP. And in Matera, in this contest, it's Yasir Shah, the sitting MLA and cabinet minister, versus Arunveer Singh from the BJP and ex-SP MLC versus Sultan Ahmed Khan from the BSP. And in Ayodhya, it is Tej Narayan Pandey from the Samajwadi Party. He is a sitting MLA versus Ved Prakash Gupta from the BJP versus the first Muslim candidate from Ayodhya, Bamzi Siddiqui.
जनता हमारे साथ है और सभी बूथों पर जो है समाजवादी पार्टी के पक्ष में हवा चल पड़ी है। अब निश्चित तौर से अमेठी से हम भारी मतों से जीत रहे हैं। वहीं पर उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री अखिलेश यादव निश्चित तौर से समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार बन रही है और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अखिलेश यादव जो है उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री बनने जा रहे हैं।
मैं तो लड़ाई देख ही नहीं रही हूँ, मैं ये देख रही हूँ कि विचारधाराओं की लड़ाई है और अमेठी की जागरूक जनता जो देश को प्रधानमंत्री देना जानती है, वो निश्चित रूप से एक योग्य काबिल नेतृत्व चुनने जा रही है और मेरी जीत होगी।
देखिए, आप क्षेत्र में स्वयं घूम के देख लीजिए कि क्षेत्र में क्या विकास उन्होंने कराया है। अगर विकास होता तो जनता आज इतनी परेशान, इतनी दुखी, इतनी क्यों तकलीफ में रहती। तो क्षेत्र में कोई विकास नहीं हुआ है, कोई काम नहीं हुआ है, इसलिए हम सोचते हैं आप लोग स्वयं देखिए।
The assembly seat of Amethi is seeing brisk voting since morning. You can see all of these people who've queued up to cast their vote. This is an area where there is a three-cornered fight between Garima Singh of the BJP, Amita Singh of the Congress, and Gayatri Prajapati, controversial minister of the Samajwadi Party. This, of course, an area where the Congress and SP are facing off against each other. But the main intrigue, the actual fight, is between Amita and Garima, both, of course, from the royal family here, and both who have had a go at each other in these elections. But right now you see so many people here who come to cast their vote. एक बात बताओ, पढ़ाई जब तुम करते थे तो जितने साधन यहाँ पढ़ाई के होने चाहिए थे उतने थे कि नहीं थे?
थे, पढ़ाई की साधन
थे,
ठीक था।
पढ़ाई ठीक से हुई है?
जी।
अच्छा। और अब काम जब करते हो तो जितना सुविधा एक छोटे तुम्हारे जैसे बिजनेसमैन के लिए होनी चाहिए, दुकान चलाते होगे, उतनी है कि और अपेक्षा करते हो कि और चीजें हों, कि बहुत बड़ी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी है?
नहीं, उतनी ही है।
जी, ठीक ठाक है, खुश हो?
एकदम बढ़िया।